Amigos, it's Señor Davis, and here are directions for today, February 25th. Pues vamos a practicar más con el pretérito versus imperfecto, con los laberintos y una tabla. Para los laberintos, el laberinto is a maze. What you're going to see is, here's a maze, and you're going to start where it says empieza, begin, and you're going to read the sentence and decide which stem coming off of it is the correct conjugation. Is it preterite? Is it imperfect? And then what form to conjugate it in. So for this one, anoche yo mirar la televisión por 2 horas. Anoche is a specific time, last night. So I'm going to use the preterite and I'm going to use the yo form. So I'm looking for yo miré. So I'm going to click miré, which takes me to this next box. I'll read the sentence, decide which of these 3 conjugations is the correct one. I'll click it, and then it'll take me to the next box. And I'm going to continue doing that until I get to el fin, the end. So you're not going to necessarily have to read all of these questions. You're just reading the ones that are along the path of the maze. So you'll have a few selections that you have to make there. And then you'll go on to the second question, which is similar, just with different questions. De niño yo nadar todos los días. As a kid, I used to swim every day. So it's a repeated action. I know I need the imperfect, so I'm going to come down this way and then read this question and decide where to go from there, again, until I get to el fin. Once you're done with that, check your answers to see how well you did and how well you understood the preterite versus imperfect. And then you're going to come back here and do a table worksheet where you're going to do practice conjugating verbs in preterite and imperfect in this table style. So I have the verb ver that you'll conjugate in both tenses, tener, llorar, ir, etc. Just to get some review on that preterite and some extra practice with conjugating imperfect. And then the second question is just a quick matching to remind you of the weather expressions. I know that's something we learned in very early on, like the end of Spanish 1 year. So if you don't remember those, this is help you kind of review those real quickly. And notice they're all in the imperfect because weather is part of waters, where we use that with the imperfect. And once you're done with that, you'll submit it, and that is all your assignments for today. So we're going to continue working on this each and every day. It's going to go fine. And so let me know if you have questions. Adios.